Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve the following given radical equation. We have the square root of x plus square root of x plus 4. This is equal to 4. So here we're going to solve for the value of x. Now let's get started. We know about square root, right? And we know very well that square root of negative numbers does not exist. So they will give you imaginary solutions, right? Or complex solutions. Now, we want to check the domain of x. Let us first consider this root of x plus 4. So we know that x plus 4 must be greater than or equal to 0. If x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, then we have that square root of 0 exists, square root of 1 exists, square root of 2 exists, and so on. We know the whole integers greater than or equal to 0. Now from here, if you subtract 4 from both sides, then we're going to have that x is greater than or equal to negative 4, right? So let's keep this aside. Now let's go back to the original equation. We have the square root of x plus the square root of x plus 4. This is equal to 4. Now let's go ahead and square both sides. We can see square roots. And here we have x plus the square root of x plus 4. This is equal to 4 squared is 16. This 4 here, the x here, take it to the right hand side and it will become negative. So we have here square root of x plus 4. This is equal to 16 minus x. Let us square both sides again. Square, we cancel the square root here. And from the right hand side, let us make use of this property. We know a minus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So using this property, the right hand side will become 16 squared, which is 256, then plus x squared minus 2 times 16 times x. Then this will be equal to, from the left hand side, we have just x plus 4. From here, we have x squared minus 2 times 16 times x is 32x. Then subtract this x here. Then plus here 256, then subtract the 4, and this is equal to 0. So from here we have that x squared, then this will be minus 33x, right? Then from here plus 252, this is equal to 0. Wow! So we're about to solve for x in this equation, right? So we're going to make use of the general quadratic formula, right? So we know here we have x to be equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So and if we check this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to the coefficient of x, which is negative 33, and c is equal to 252. So making use of this, so we get here x is equal to negative b will be 33 plus or minus the square root of b squared will be negative 33 squared, which is 1089, right? Yeah. So 1089 minus 4 times a times c will give us 1008. Then everything divided by 2 times 1. So from here we have x is equal to 33 plus or minus. So this subtraction here, this minus this will give us 81. Then square root of 81 is 9. Then divided by 2. So this is equal to 33 plus 9 over 2, or 33 minus 9 over 2. So from here we have x is equal to, now 33 plus 9 here will give us 42, right? And 40, is that 42? Yes. So that will give us 42, and 42 divided by 2 will give us 21, right? So we get here that x is equal to 21. So, or then we have here x is equal to 33 minus 9, that will give us 24, right? Then 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. So here we get that x is equal to 12. Amazing. Now recall that x must be greater than or equal to -4. And we can see that, x must be greater than or equal to -4, yes. And we can see that all these values here, 21 and 12, they are all greater than -4. But unfortunately, we have an extraneous solution, if I'm not mistaken. And what should be this solution? The external solution we have here is 21. If you plug in 21, remember we have the square root of x plus the square root of x plus 4, and this must be equal to 4, right? So if you plug in 21, this one will become 21 plus 4 is 25, and root of 25 will give us 5. And here is 21 plus 5, which is 26, and root of 26 is not equal to 4. But if you plug in 12 here, we get 12 plus 4 is 16, root of 16 is 4. Then 12 plus 4 is 16, root of 16 is 4. So therefore, this solution does not satisfy our equation, and here is the right solution. Therefore, x is equal to 12. Taram! That is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.